slicing. Generally, it's known as the data slicing right now, but it's a slicing concept. And I'm telling you, ये इतना important concept that this is so much important concept that you are learning here and investing 10 or 20 proper minutes to understand the slicing right now. You will be using it everywhere in Python, even in data analysis and all this thing. You will be using in NumPy array, all the places you are going to use the slicing concept. It's so much important right now. So what we are having, so I'm just having a data set, guys. Same. Hello, I am new coder. This is the data I have right now. So what I will be doing, guys, every data point will be getting their index position. So first of all, they get the positive index position. So we have two things, guys, positive indexing and negative indexing right now. So any kind of data that we give it in Python, actually, any kind of data or value that we assign, it gets both of the kind of indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing right now. So here it will positive indexing will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. like एक काम करते हैं guys, up to 13 let's just take it, otherwise it is getting too much. Hello, I'm new. Up to this one only we will take it right now. What I'm doing right now, so this is the positive indexing. Negative indexing, how it will be going there? It will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14. So negative indexing goes like this right now. So very important concept we are going to understand here. So guys, if I wanted to access this I value, this I value, this I value, if I wanted to access this I character, I data type data we wanted to access from this complete X, hello, I am a new, I just wanted to extract or get the I value. So how I can extract? First of all, I will write my variable name X, and then I will give a square bracket. Everywhere for slicing, we use square bracket there. So I will give a square bracket, and then if I wanted to access I need to give the index position of I actually. So what is the index position I can pass to extract the I here, guys? What is the index position of I right now? Index position of I? 6. So if I rate X of 6, what it will result? It will give me I data. Other than 6, we can use any other indexing, guys, also. Other than 6 for extracting I. If I don't want it to 6, -8. Very good. So -8 we can use it right now. Okay. Now, uh, suppose Vishal, just tell me, if I wanted to access this value right now, this M value, then first of all, tell me what index position I can use if I want this M value, Vishal.
Sir, 9, sir.
And if I wanted to use minus indexing, then
Sir,
negative
-5.
indexing. Very good. So it will be used -5. Very good. So I hope you guys will be able to understand if I wanted to extract any single character data. That is not a very problematic situation for us for getting single character data. Now it will be coming there. The main thing, guys, what is there? To extract a combination of data actually. So I'm not interested to extract this value. What you can say, single character data. I actually wanted to extract this value, guys. This complete value. Am word I wanted to extract from my data. Am word I wanted to extract from my data. So if I wanted to extract am word in my data, It is just not having only one single character. It is having multiple characters inside it. So whenever you have multiple character inside it, so you cannot just pass only a single index position there. So what the rule you need to find, like you need to understand the rule of start, the rule of stop, and step count, guys. Step count. These things you need to understand right now. Start, stop, and step count for slicing. Once you guys understood, you don't need to invest a lot of time for it actually. Okay. Hmm. So if you try to see here, guys, first it is asking start position. What is the start position of your data? From which position you started to stack the data right now? So Naveen, just tell me one thing. I wanted to extract this am word. So from which index position we are actually starting? From which index
8.
position we are 8? And
Yeah.
negative indexing, if I ask you there, what is the negative
Minus
indexing?
6. Minus
Minus
6.
6. Very good. Now I'm asking like this thing, Naveen, that okay, you told me from which position we are starting. Now tell me from which position we are ending it, where we are stopping it.
Positive index number 9, sir. Negative index
Very good.
number 5.
Very good. Now remember one thing, guys, in Python, what happens there? So if you wanted to get the stop position, means you wanted to get M word, 9 index position you are mentioning. Python always do n minus 1. Means if you mention 9 there, it will give you the data up to 8. If you mention 10, then and only it will give you the data of 9. If you mention 11, then it will give you the data up to 10 only. So you're getting now? Python will always do n minus 1. So Naveen, tell me what I will mention here right now. Now for stop position.
9, sir.
Again, I'm asking Python always do n minus 1. Suppose if you given 9 there, it will give you up to 8 data only. Means up to 8 index position only it will give you there. So if you mention 10, then and only you are going to get up to 9. It will always do n minus 1. Suppose if you given 11 there, then it will give you up to 10. If you given 12 there, then it will give you the data up to 11 character there. So always it is going to do n minus 1. So for getting the data up to this 9, up to this 9, so what I need to pass stop position here? Stop position again, tell me. I will pass 10 here now. Think about it. I will pass 10 here or not? I will pass 10 here. Why I will pass 10 here? Because if I pass 10 here, if I pass 10 here, then and only my Python will get the data up to ninth character. Then and only it will always do n minus 1. So suppose if you want like up to 10th character data space also you wanted to get, then you need to pass 11 there. So whatever you are ending position just tell every time plus 1 only. Suppose you are telling 9 na, just add it 1. You wanted to get up to 9, just add it 1 there. That's all. Kuch bhi mat karo. That's all you need to do there. So stop position is 10. In negative index position, what will be stop position there right now?
Minus 4.
Minus
4.
minus 4. Very good. And step count means between 8 and 9, what is the difference? Step count is the difference between your start and stop position. Okay. So this one between 8 and 9, what is the difference we are having right now?
8 and 9, 1, sir.
Ah, so 8 and 9, what we have? 1 right now. Stop count, what we can give? 1 there. So between minus 6 and minus 5, what is the difference we have it right now?
Minus 2.
Plus 1 only. Minus 1.
Okay. Ah, okay.
Min Sorry, plus 1 actually. Okay. So minus 6 plus 1, it will be minus 5 actually. Okay. So now this is how you need to give the data right now. Start, stop, and step count there. Step count, you need to take two consecutive data only, two consecutive values. Two consecutive values. You do not need to take start, stop, two consecutive values you are going to take it there. Again, we will take one more example there. So suppose, and this will be told by like Salis. Salis, first of all, mention me what is the start count we have it here. Start position.
One, sir.
One. Very good. Negative one. Negative one.
Minus 13, sir.
-13. Very good. And stop position?
Stop position, sir. 4.
Fourth, up to fourth, you wanted to take data, but I told you you need to do +1 every
5,
time.
sir. 5, sir. 5, 5, sir.
5 we need to do. And for negative index, what you need to pass it here?
-9, sir.
-9. Very good. Step count will be what? Two
4.
consecutive value. Any two consecutive value you need to take it here. So any two consecutive values, 1 and 2, you take it. What is the difference between 1 and 2?
1, sir.
And any two consecutive value in negative also, what is the difference between -13 and -12?
1, sir. 1.
1. Very good. So this is how you need to extract the data accordingly, guys. बहुत important है. You cannot even miss this thing. This is why I'm taking a little time to explain the slicing, because only one place I need to explain you the slicing concept right now. Okay. Now think about it. What I'm doing, guys, right now. So suppose I have taken this data. Order. Order. So it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. So guys, if I wanted to get up to this data, COD up to COD, I wanted to get the data right now, up to COD. So up to COD, I wanted to get the data. Purna, what I will pass up to COD if I wanted to get the data? Start position will be what here? Start position. Purna, COD, I wanted to get the data. Purna, are you there? Purna is not present today. Okay, we'll see that. We'll check it. Okay. Vinay, just tell me if I want COD there, what I will pass here first? Start position
0, sir.
0. Stop position will be what here?
3.
Very good. And step count, any two consecutive value difference, what is what right
1.
now?
1.
1. Very good. Now, guys, whenever you are starting from start position, remember very crucial information I'm telling you. Whenever you are starting from start, you're starting from start position now here, from the 0th position now only. So if you are starting from start position, guys, so what you can do, this was the data you were replacing there, na? 0 position. When you start from start position, guys, you do not need to mention the starting value. You don't need to mention it actually. So you can ignore of mentioning this value. So if you do not mention 0 here, what it will do, by default, it will start from this position. By default it will start from this position. You are getting my point or not, what I'm trying to tell you? So if you're starting from the start, so you are mentioning 0 here. So what you can do, if you're starting from the starting position, you can ignore passing the start value there. Got this point or not, guys? Everyone got this point?
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
Yes. Now what I'm doing here, अभी देखते रहो, like what I'm doing here right now, I wanted to get this data, red. Red I wanted to get actually. Red I wanted to get, that means I wanted to go in reverse order now. Think about it. RED in reverse order I wanted to get right now. So if I wanted to get red, guys, like this, red or like this. So if I wanted to get red, so from R I will start or from D I will start. Think about it. What, where, from where I will start if I wanted to get red?
R.
Okay, from R we will start. Very good. So now Visakha, you will tell this thing. So what will be start position here for getting red? What will be start position? 4. Very good. Now from fourth position we started. Now we need to get up to D. So if I wanted to get up to D, what I need to pass start position?
1.
Very good. 1 we need to pass. Now you need to find out the difference of any two consecutive number right now. Just try to see. The differences, you don't need to pass it normally. Like suppose what we have it here in the previous scenarios. So here you passed, you got the difference between 1 and 2, it was coming 1 right now. Plus 1, minus 1, you are not seeing that much properly there. So always, whenever you need to try to find out the differences, you need to find it between 2 to 1 right now here. And here, if you wanted to find out what is the difference between that. So here you are going backward side. You are going from RED, like backward side you are getting. So backward side you are getting right now. If you try to see after R, you are getting E. So backward side you are moving right now. So you need to take the difference between what? 3 to 4 here. So 3 minus 4 you need to take the differences. And 3 minus 4, what it will get it here? Minus
minus
1.
1.
So step count will be what here? Minus 1. And generally, guys, remember this thing. Whenever we are going in backward side, we are trying to get it. We will be getting minus step count. Will not get positive step count. We'll get minus step count there. Okay. So this is how we need to get this red value, red data. Okay. Now, Pratyusha, same thing you need to tell me in using what? Using, you need to tell me using negative indexing. Pratyusha, tell me what we will get it if I use negative indexing.
What minutes, sir?
Mm-hmm. Minus from where we will start?
Like minus 1, sir.
Minus 1, then up to
Minus 4.
minus 4, then step count
1, sir.
1 or minus 1.
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1. If you try to take out minus 2, minus 2, and you are going up to minus 1. So how many like value like कैसे उल्टा हो गया that means ultimately it will be ये rule काम नहीं कर रहा उतना अच्छे से ये इतना अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहा. So ultimately if you're going in minus direction, so you need to move into the negative direction. So minus 1, so one word you are going backward, so minus 1. Two word you are going backward, minus 2. Three word you are going backward, minus 3. Okay. One word you are moving positive direction, plus 1. Two word you are moving in forward direction, plus 2. Three word you are moving, three character, sorry, not word, three character you're moving in positive direction, plus 3. Like this, it will go right now.